Okay, let's start this video off first by giving a shout out to my notification gang. And here we go with our comment of the week. I appreciate you all so much. And if you want to be featured in my next video, make sure you talk to your girl in the comments below. Okay, so in this video, we are going to review this Azure Dip Powder Starter Kit. I'm so, happy that they are sponsoring this video. So make sure you check the description box below for all of their information. Okay, so in this kit, they include step-by-step directions. It is very, very, very detailed, and you're going to get 4 different powders as well as 5 different, polishes, gels, bonders, all of that stuff. Okay, so we're gonna see that as we go, in the brush, the cuticle pusher, the cuticle oil, everything. Okay, so I've already pushed my cuticle bag, and the very, very first thing that you're gonna want to put on is the bond. Now, the bond is what I use to put the tips on, because for the bonding it's literally like using a glue. However, for my second hand, I found that instead of using the bond to add the tips, I used the base, and it worked like magic. Okay, so that is what I use, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I do my second hand. But now at this point, what I'm doing is going ahead and putting the base on all of my fingers, as well as the bond first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dip my fingers, dip all of my fingers in the clear. And what this is going to do is going to make sure that you have a very, very sturdy base. Okay, so it is so fast. I will say, you guys, I'm not going to hold you up. I'm not just saying it because they are sponsoring this video. I prefer to do my nails like this. When I tell you this entire process didn't take me an hour, that is exactly what I mean. And the extra time that I did spend was simply because I was recording. Okay, so now I want to do I want to play with these colors, and I like this because I can paint on the base, and then the powder is going to stick wherever I put it. So I'm kind of gonna do like it's gonna look like a shadow, kind of like milk bath thingy with red and stuff. Just keep watching. So I don't have a specific pattern that I'm following now on my index fingers. I'm using the glitter, and the glitter is so pretty, you guys. When I tell you that this makes it so easy, you literally just polish your nails, and as long as you don't get it on your cuticle or anything like that, it is perfect. You literally get the perfect full set. You don't have to worry about your cuticles lifting, anything. It is so easy. Okay, so one thing I did learn, make sure you wait a little bit for it to dry before you wipe off all of the powder. And it dries really fast, but because it doesn't take that much effort to do it, you just want to move to the next step. So just wait a minute. Okay, so after everything is on, then you're gonna go ahead and use the activator. Now, it's very, very important that you use the activator, because the activator is the thing that's gonna harden everything up. Everything's already pretty hard, but yeah, you want to make sure you use activator. But we're not at that point yet. As you can see, it's a little smile line there. I'm not going for like a French tip kind of look, but as you can see, if you were going for like French tip, if you really, really take your time and make sure that the lines are sharp, you can do that. Okay, so I just went ahead and added pink to the top, or what was it, clear, whatever I just dipped in. I think it was pink, I don't know. Okay, so I dipped that in there, and I'm just letting that sit. Okay, and that's what's going to sit on top of the smile line, and I'm doing that with all of the fingers, and I'm literally just, as I go, I'm looking at my hands like, which color do I want to use now? Because initially I was going to do red all over, and then I don't know, something else, but I just decided to use all of the colors that they sent. So here we go. Yes. Now for the pinky, I'm doing the same thing with my pinky fingers that I did with my thumbs, where I'm just adding a little bit of each color and making it like, I don't know, some type of design. I don't know. So yeah, you guys, this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'll come back a little later when we're finishing up, but just keep watching the rest of this, and I'll be back when we're done. Yes, leave me some comments right now. So far, what do you think about this, and would you ever use it? Let me know right now in the comments below. Keep watching, girl. I'll be back in a minute, girl.
so proud, proud. I hear them talking, talking, talking about us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They keep wishing that I'd fall in line. But you and me, babe, we're one of a kind. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They don't know about us. They don't get it, babe, living in a cruel world. It's a rare thing to do just what we do, love. Hold your head high and do it by your own terms. They don't get it, babe, no, they don't get it, babe. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They don't know about I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh, baby. Can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh, baby. I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care?
Okay, so at this point we are all done, you guys. I'm pretty sure everything was pretty self-explanatory. Once all of the nails were on, I just filed them a little bit. I barely did any filing whatsoever. Now I am using this cuticle oil, and I will say this is like the cutest thing ever. The oil isn't really runny, but it's not extremely thick either. It's the perfect consistency. And I'm gonna tell you something, my cuticle stayed moisturized all day, and I'm in Vegas and it's super hot. There's no humidity in the air, so the fact that my knuckles didn't get any type of ashy shows you something. So this is it, you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think about, you know, the design that we did with these dip powders, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I want to thank them again for sponsoring this video, and make sure you check the description box below so you can get this kit, you guys. I'm telling you, it is so worth it, okay? Because I'm telling you, I don't really go to the nail shop like that, because I don't like when people try to upsell me like, oh honey, your pinky's so little, honey, only $5 more, only $5 more. Oh, you want polish? $2 more. Okay, like that irritates me. So the fact that I just did these nails in little to no time, I don't know, they kind of have me sold. Like, so far, dip powder is my favorite. Okay, yes. So make sure, if you're not doing so already, you are subscribed here to my channel, and once you subscribe, click that bell notification so you're notified every time I post a new video. And lastly, you know what I'm gonna say, subscribe to my website, so if you're not notified here, you are notified there, and you can stay up to date with me and talk to me on a regular basis in real time on my blog. Okay, I love you guys so much, and until my next video, girl, bye girl. Get you some dip powder, girl. Yes.